Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kevin of Snelgrove Chiropractic in Barrie, and today I'm excited to share with you the second video of our free 12-part video series on low back pain and sciatica. So if you or someone you know suffers from low back pain or sciatica, you won't want to miss this video. In it, I'll be sharing with you 3 very specific exercises that you can do to help minimize the impact of sciatica and low back pain in your life. So get on your comfy clothes as I am in mine and sit tight, the video is about to start. Are you frustrated with low back pain that just doesn't seem to go away? Are you worried about waking up in the morning because you know that what you're going to feel in your low back muscles will be the same stiffness and soreness you felt the day before that, and the weeks before that? Do you find that the pain that goes down your leg, it just won't ease up? If this is you, then you're not alone, because far, far too many people suffer from low back pain. You know, I'm often asked the question, Doc, what are some exercises that I can do to help me on a day in, day out basis? What are some things that will help me with my low back pain? Before I get into sharing with you those exercises, I want to say that, we don't move enough. Our bodies were made to move. Our bodies need that, not only physically, but mentally and emotionally we need that. But we as a society, most of us aren't moving enough. So many people sit at their desks while they're working, or they sit in front of a computer or in front of a TV, to the point where the average person will spend about 12 to 15 hours per day in a seated position. So if we get moving on a regular basis, I believe this is one factor, this is one piece of the puzzle that will help us with low back pain and sciatica. So I'm going to take the moment now to share with you 3 very specific exercises that will help you with low back pain and sciatica. I might also throw in a bonus as well. So find a comfortable spot. I'm in comfortable clothes as well, and I hope you guys are. And I'll just adjust this camera so you guys will be able to watch me, and we'll start the exercises shortly. Okay, so I've got the camera in a better position now so you guys will be able to see me. So we're going to go through and I'll review the 3 specific exercises that you can do to help minimize the impact of low back pain and sciatica in your life. Now the first stretch is what I would call a knees to chest stretch. Before we get into showing you that stretch, I want you to know that, with any of these stretches, we don't want to force them. This is not a race. We just want to do them in a gentle way to help stretch out the muscles. If you find that there's sharp pain or stabbing pain, stop that exercise. You might feel a slight pull of the muscle when you're doing this, but it shouldn't, by any means, it shouldn't be sharp or stabbing. You can do these exercises multiple times through the day to help limber up those muscles, especially if you've been sitting a fair bit. But the first exercise I'm going to go through with you, as we mentioned, is a knees to chest stretch, and you're going to be laying on your back. So go ahead, you guys can lay on your back with me at the same time. All I'm going to do is I'm going to lay right down on my back. Now, as a note, you can have your knees bent up if you find it's uncomfortable to have your legs out straight. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to straighten my legs out. First, I'm going to pull my right leg in towards me, reach in front of my shin, and just pull in, look straight up towards the ceiling. And you're going to hold this stretch for a 30-second period. And just breathe in and out slow. So you can let that leg down slowly, and then raise the left one up. And you can reach in front of the shin as well. And hold this one for 30 seconds. Once you've stretched out both sides, if you feel comfortable enough, you can take both legs and reach in front and pull in towards you. You can let your head rest back and just, again, hold that for 30 seconds. Now, some of you might find it's difficult to reach in front without lifting your head up. You can always use a towel or a belt in front to help pull in, and that way you can get more range of motion out of that stretch. So there you have it. That's the knees to chest stretch. That's the first one. And the second one is what I would call a cobra or a sloppy push-up stretch. And some of you guys may have seen this before, but I'll show you what it looks like. All that you'll do is you'll lay on your front, your hands in front of you, your legs behind you and together, and you're just going to push up into a kind of like a push-up position, but your pelvis is still on the ground. Some people will be able to do this where they can go straight. You can move side to side a little bit. That will help. You should feel a stretch in your abdominal muscles and the muscles in front of your legs called your hip flexors. Some people may find that this is really difficult. So instead of going on their hands, they can go up on their elbows and push up that way. And then you can eventually progress up towards your hands. But just like the other stretch, you can hold this one for a 30-second period. and you'll find that will help to relax the muscles in front of your legs and in your abdominal area as well. So the third stretch is a cat stretch, and many of you guys have seen this, especially if you have cats, but all you're going to do is you're going to go on all fours, just like this. You're going to arch down, and then arch all the way up. So arch down, stick your seat out, arch down, just like your belly button's going down to the ground, and you come all the way up. Now you can do a few things here. You can do this where you're holding it for 30 seconds, or you can do it a lot quicker, repeat that quicker, and that's giving you a nice pelvic tilt as you're doing that stretch. Take the time to breathe as you're doing that one as well, and I'd suggest you do anywhere from 20 to 30 repetitions for that one. So those are the 3 specific exercises to help with low back pain and sciatica. Now the bonus that I'm going to give to you guys is something that I found has helped with patients in a huge way over the years. It's called a soldier march. So you can do this at home easily. You don't need any space for it, and you can hold onto chairs to give you balance as well. I'm going to move back and stand up so you guys can see me doing this in the distance. But all you're going to do is you're going to stand up, and you're just going to march. Bring your knees up as high as you comfortably can. You can, as I said, you can hold on to something to balance yourself, but you're going to march on the spot, and you can do this one for anywhere from 20 seconds all the way up to 5 minutes, and you can do that on a regular basis. That helps to move what's called your sacroiliac joints in a figure 8 motion. An awesome stretch that you can do to help to loosen up your pelvis. So there you have it. Those are the 3 stretches plus a bonus for you. Now my hope is that you're not just watching this video, but you're also going to implement and do these exercises as well. Also, I'd love for you guys to be able to share this with people that you know that would help benefit from it. And the other thing that you can do too is you can click on the Learn More button at the bottom of this video, where you can be redirected to our website, where there's more blogs there and information to help you on your journey towards better health. So I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. The 3rd video will be coming up next week, so stay tuned for that one. But as always, at Snelgrove Chiropractic, our vision and our mission is to help our patients heal naturally and restore their health from the inside out.